Hey everyone, welcome back to RinTech. My name is Ari. If you have ever worked with a long report, thesis, or even length documents, you know how important it is to have a clear overview. A table of contents acts as a roadmap, allowing readers to quickly navigate to specific sections. It improves readability and makes your document look professional. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a professional table of contents in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Inserting page numbers. To begin, we need to add page numbers. This is essential to ensure that your table of contents accurately link to the correct pages. Go to the Insert tab, click Page Number, and choose where you want the page number to appear. For this case, let's choose bottom of page, and then select a style like plain number 1, 2, or 3. Let's choose plain number 3. Then close the header and footer. This sets the foundation for our page referencing, which is the table of contents we rely on. Next is adding a blank page for the table of contents. With page numbers in place, our next step is to create a dedicated page for the table of contents. Position your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear, typically at the beginning of the content after the title page. Then go to Insert tab and click Page Break. This creates a fresh blank page where we will insert our table of contents later. Now let's check how to apply styles to headings. This is a very important part when creating a table of contents. Before we insert a table of contents, we need to format our headings properly using Word's built-in heading styles. These styles tell what to include in your table of contents. To apply heading 1 style to main headings, simply click anywhere within the text of your main heading, then go to the Home tab and click on Heading 1 in the Styles group. This will format your title as a main section heading. To apply Heading 2 style to subheadings, let's format the subsection. Select a subheading by clicking anywhere in the text. Then go to the Home tab and click Heading 2 to format it as a subsection. You can apply heading style to multiple headings and subheadings. If you have multiple headings or subheadings to format, you can select several at once. Let's make a demonstration for subheading in this chapter. Press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Highlight each subheading or click near to the left margin next to the subheading. You can also triple-click on a subheading to select it. Once selected, click Heading 2 in the Styles group to apply the style to all selected subheadings. Repeat this process for all headings and subheadings using Heading 1 or 2, and for further levels use Heading 3 and so on. After applying heading styles, let's insert the table of contents. With our headings properly styled, we can now insert the table of contents itself. Place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. Let's now click on the blank page that we added for the table of contents. Go to the References tab, click Table of Contents, and choose an automatic style like Automatic Table 1 or 2. For this case, we choose Automatic Table 1. Word will generate a table of contents based on the heading styles we have applied and showing the page numbers we added earlier. Customizing the table of content. To change how the table looks, go to the Reference tab and in the Table of Contents group, select Table of Contents. Then, select Custom Table of Contents at the bottom of the drop-down. Here in the Custom Table of Contents window, you can change the format, show or hide page numbers, and change the tab leader styles such as dots, dashes, or none. Tab leaders are dots or lines between the heading and page number. Again, under the Modify option, you can modify the font style, size, and color. Now, your table of contents matches the style of your document. You can also update the table of contents. If you make any changes to your documents, headings or page numbers after inserting the table of contents, you need to update it to maintain accuracy. Right-click within the table of contents and select Update field. Choose Update Page Numbers Only if only page numbers have changed, or Update Entire Table if both page numbers and headings have been modified. Click OK to refresh the table of contents. Suppose you want to remove the table of contents. To remove the table of contents, click anywhere inside it. Then go to References tab. Click Table of Contents and select Remove Table of Contents. The table will be deleted, but the headings in your document will remain unchanged. And that's it. You know how to create a professional table of contents in Microsoft Word. If this tutorial was helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any question.